So I graduated with a BA in Human Geography. So Human Geography is looking at space, place, culture, society, politics, all of the really important aspects of the world to help us make a stable judgment about what's happening. So what attracted me most to Aberystwyth was the outdoor pursuits scene, which is unparalleled compared to any other university. So kayaking, climbing, hill walking, anything. We're incredibly lucky at Aberystwyth to have world-leading research, backed up also by the National Library of Wales, which is right on our doorstep. This enables us to use it as students as well as the HUO library. So we're well suited to with resources for our studies. So I think the thing that attracted me most to the town is the warm community feel. So everywhere you go, you'll bump into numerous people that you already know, which is really nice. As well as having a picturesque and beautiful backdrop to study geography at Aberystwyth, we also have 5 amazing fieldwork options: New York, New Zealand, Crete, Ireland, and Killarney. My best advice would be to take your time, plan your time well throughout the week. You have plenty of independent work to do, and that's down to you. No one's going to chase you, but there are a fine amount of resources and plenty of people to help.